Hey guys, welcome to the video, and we're going to talk about how to transfer money between your Wise and your GeegPay account. So once you've logged into your GeegPay account, you want to go to settings, go to beneficiary, and here you can see I have linked some accounts already, and by the currency you can tell that they are Nigerian accounts. But we want to link our Wise account, which is something that is very unique to GeegPay. They allow you to link a Wise account and transfer money to your Wise account from GeegPay. So I'm going to click on add a beneficiary, and you can see here that we can add a bank account or we can add a Wise account. So I'm going to click on Wise, and then I will choose the currency to be US dollar because I have my US dollar details on my Wise. So I'm going to click on continue, and you need to know the rest of these details, and you can get that from your Wise account. But I know that my account is personal, and then I'm going to go to my Wise and get my account number, my routing number, and I know that my account type is checking. Let me just put in my name. So now I've entered in all of the details that I need. Very simple. I'm going to click on continue, and you are going to be required to enter your password to verify that you're the one that's actually doing this. So I have entered my password, and I'm going to click on submit, and it's that easy, guys. My Wise payment method has been added, and to verify that this works, what you need to do is go back to dashboard and try to send money into that account that you've just linked. So I'm going to click on send. Now I have the option to choose if I want to do a bank transfer or send to my Wise account, and they have a bunch of others. You also have PayPal here as well. So I'm just going to click on Wise, and I'm going to enter in the amount. The least amount you can do on GeegPay is $5. So I'm going to select that, and then select the Wise account I've just added, and I'm going to click on get a quote. They tell me the fee that I'm going to pay, which is $1 for this transaction, and let me try doing $20 and see how much they will charge for that as well. So for $20, they're also going to charge a $1 fee as transaction. So it's going to make more sense for you to transfer a huge amount of money, because if you're transferring something as little as $5, then you're going to lose $1, when if you're done something higher, you're still going to spend $1 in fees. So that's the reason why I'm not going to do this transfer. This works, and this is how to link it, and you can do your transfer from GeegPay into your Wise account. Very straightforward, very simple. And also you can transfer from Wise into your GeegPay account with this same exact method if you have money in your Wise account. So if I go to my accounts now, I have my virtual account that is tied to my GeegPay account. So if I enter these details into my Wise account, I can now send money from my Wise account into my GeegPay account. Nice and easy. So there, guys, that's how you link your Wise and your GeegPay account and transfer money back and forth between these two accounts. And the reason why I like GeegPay is that almost everything is very fluid, very seamless, very straightforward, very easy. Why am I using a lot of synonyms? These things mean the same thing. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for being a part of the family. Consider watching this video next, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.